India's Operation Sindhu. India shot down 6 Pakistani jets and raised an unspecified number of likely US-made F-16s when it destroyed the hangar of Pakistan's Jacobabad Air Base.
We were able to get there at least 2 command and control centers in like Murid and Chaklala that I have shown you one of the pictures. At least 6 radars, 2 SAGW system that is in Lahore and Okara. Then of course runway at Sargodha and Rahimia Khan. 3 hangars that we attacked. One was of course Sukur, the UAV hangar, the Bholari hangar of AEWNC, and Jacobabad, the F-16 hangar.
Crucially, the air chief, through his statement, demolished political attacks which claimed that the Modi government restrained the forces.
There was very clear political will, very clear directions which were given to us, and there were no kind of restrictions which were put on it. If there were any constraints, they were self-made. We, the forces, decided what will be our rules of engagement.
Hours later, the fact that government gave full operational freedom to forces was echoed by the army chief too.
23rd is the time when next day itself, we all sat down. And this is the first time which RM has also said, I think enough is enough. And all the 3 chiefs were very clear, something has to be done. And the free hand was given, of course, that you decide what is to be done.
The army chief also mocked Pakistan's victory in Op Sindoor claim.
If you ask to a Pakistani whether you lost or won, you say, my chief has become field marshal, we must have won only, that's why he has become field marshal. So what I am saying that this is how you can influence the population. So it is the domestic population, it is the adversaries population, and it is the neutral population.
This comes days after Rahul Gandhi claimed in parliament that Modi government restrained forces which led to India losing fighter jets.
Captain Shiv Kumar, Defense Attaché, Indonesia, he says, I may not agree with him that India lost so many aircraft, but I do agree that we did lose some aircraft. And that happened only because of the constraint given by the political leadership to not attack the military establishment and their air defense.
Then came a thundering expression of India's resolve to punish Pakistan terror from Defense Minister Rajnath.
और यहां आतंकवादियों ने आकर धर्म पूछ कर लोगों को मारा। तो बहनों भाइयों, हम लोगों ने भी ठान लिया कि हम धर्म पूछकर किसी को नहीं मारेंगे, बदला नहीं लेंगे। हम उनका कर्म देखकर हम उनको मारेंगे बहनों भाइयों, और कर्म देखकर हम लोगों ने मारा।
Congress, however, kept up the attack, claiming that the military chief may be helping the government offset the voter fraud heat.
कि मुझे नहीं समझ में आया कि आज एयर चीफ मार्शल साहब क्यों बोल रहे हैं। क्या ये चुनाव आयोग के ऊपर लगे हुए उन तमाम आरोपों को दबाने के लिए उस नैरेटिव को चेंज करना है? अगर ये है तो बहुत दुखद है।
Why did Prime Minister Modi pause Operation Sindoor? What concessions did he extract when the Indian Armed Forces had the upper hand? And Prime Minister Modi decided to stop. What concessions did he extract? What promises did he get? What benefit was there?
Can India's government and opposition ever be on the same page when it comes to the country's anti-terror fight? With Shivani Sharma in Delhi, Bureau Report, India Today.